Welcome to another edition of Eric's Quick Product Reviews. This is a awesome insulated mug by DLOCCOLD, and this is their logo there. Ignore this, that's just a sticker I put on here because you know we all put stickers on our thermoses now. I love this thing. It comes in a lot of different colors. I got the orange color because orange is my favorite color, and it's a really cool color of orange. This thing is great. It's really nice and big, as you can see. But it has the smaller bottom, so it fits in my cup holder in my car, which I love. That is really super cool. It has this awesome handle. I love the handle. The handle is great when I'm carrying this into work because I take this to work with me every day. Rather than trying to hold on to this thing like this, I've got this nice grip that I can hold on to. It comes with two of these metal straws and these little straw tops. So this is great because they're reusable and washable. And then the lid here, this lid just screws in there like that. And it's great, it's nice and tight. And because this is insulated, it's gonna keep things warm or cold. And then it's got, look at that top. So you just puncture the straw through there. Now that water can get out of here. That is not completely waterproof. That's important to know. If you turn it like this and it's full of water, water will leak out of that. So you have to kind of keep it upright, but it's built to kind of resist water. Water won't slosh out of it as long as it's upright, which is great. And then you put that in there, and you've got this nice straw to drink out of, silicone, and it is washable, so you can wash it and reuse it, and really great. Also on the bottom here, you've got this nice rubber cover that goes on the bottom, and that makes it so that it doesn't slide. It's grippy, so like even now it doesn't slide, it stays in place, which is great. Also when you sit it down, it's a lot quieter than if you're sitting metal on a hard surface. So really cool product. I love it. Works great. I'm drinking a lot more water now because I tend to drink more water when I can drink through a straw. Something like this, I don't have to like unscrew a top to drink out of it. So I love this cup. It's definitely a really awesome mug, and one that I would recommend.